Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to increase your ringtone volume when it is coming in your Infinix smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, click on sound and vibration, swipe down. Here you have to enable increasing incoming ringtone, and whenever your ringtone will incoming call will come, it will gradually increase the volume. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.